It all hurts. It all hurts.
Hi, happy Friday. I am headed into Target, so I'm going to be doing a little quick Target deal. I do have a return I need to make here at Target, so let's go. Okay, I am in the dollar spot. Check out these socks. Do not disturb, mom off duty. I think these are $1. Yep, they're $1. I'm gonna grab these. It's cute. Do not disturb, mom off duty. There's nothing much I want out of here. Okay guys, my next deal, I am picking up 3 of the Swiffer duster extenders at $7.99, and I will be using a Target Cartwheel $2 digital coupon, and then I'll be using 2 paper coupons from the October P&G. The paper coupon itself is a limit of 2. I'll show you here next. I had to do a voiceover because my store was a little kid. He was crying pretty loud, so I didn't want to have that in my video. Nothing against it because I have kids and I understand. There's the $2 coupons for the Swiffer dusters. Okay, my next deal is on the small spaces Febreze items. They're $2.99. I was sniffing this one just to see if I wanted that one, but I have a $2 off. I have two $2 off of 1 coupons that you can use. They're a limit of 2, and I'm also using the $2 digital coupon on my Cartwheel app. Okay guys, again, these are from October P&G. Came out last weekend. Paper coupons from October P&G, and then I'm using the digital for the Swiffer on the Cartwheel app. And then I'm picking these up because they'll be 99 cents after the coupon. So I'm using 2 because the limit on this one is 2. If you can see it, there we go. Limit of 2 coupons, identical coupons, and then I'm using the Cartwheel coupon. Let's go check out. Okay, just wanted to share real quick my Target haul. I didn't pick up a lot. I just wanted to do a little couponing at Target because I hadn't been there in a while. And I also had earned 2 gift cards, one from the L'Oreal Rewards program. It's ending October 31st, FYI, if any of you guys are in that program. So I had enough points to redeem a $5 gift card. And then I had a $5 gift card from the past deals I've done. And I just saved it in my Cartwheel app. I just scan the gift card and it saves the gift card inside of their app. So when you do shop again, you'll have it there. So just keep in mind, gift cards, they do not expire, guys. So you can have those gift cards for a while. And that's why I like the gift card whenever you're able to go ahead and just scan it and put it into your account. You don't really have to keep up with the gift card itself if you don't want to. Some do. I do just in case it doesn't pick up at the register. But okay, moving on. So just saying that I had a $10 gift card, and I also had a return that I needed to make. So I got the cash back for that, and I said I'll just make a deal while I'm there and show you guys how to coupon at Target. So here's my receipt. I did run into an issue. which I'll get into that next. So, also on the Cartwheel app, you can get digital coupons. So, I was using one digital coupon for one of the Swiffer duster extenders, and then I was using one for the small spaces. Okay, these are really good, by the way. So, I'm trying to stock up while I can get them cheap. So, after the coupon on these they will be 99 cents, and they're $2.99. So that's a pretty good deal. And so I picked up 3 of the dusters because they're on a promotion right now. If you buy 3, you get $10 gift card back, and they're $7.99 each. I used the $2 off digital coupon from the Cartwheel app. If you don't have Cartwheel, go ahead and sign up. I believe they're making changes to the Cartwheel app though, so I have to read into that more, and I'll get back with you all on the details on that. But as of today, you can use the $2 digital coupon for this, and then also in my in-store video, which I believe I'm going to insert in this deal or this video here, you can use 2 of the actual Swiffer Swiffer starter kit or Swiffer coupons from the October P&G. So you can use 2 of those. So that'll be a total of $6 off. So I also picked up the 3 of these at $2.99, and I used 1 digital coupon for one of them. And then I used 2 paper coupons from October P&G that I had. October P&G came out last weekend. So if you don't have those, I mean, you wouldn't be able to really do this deal, but you can go pick up a free small space. Well, not free, but 99-cent small space, because like I said, after the digital coupon, you're going to pay 99 cents. But moving on here, I'm going to show you the receipt. I had a little issue because my Cartwheel coupons did not come off. So I had a total of $12 in coupons. So that's 6 coupons. And if you can see here, only 4 of them are showing up. Manufacturer coupon. You really got to read Target receipts. $2 off with the minus behind it. That means it took off. So I was missing one. So what I did was my total should have been $20.94. Okay. But I ended up just go ahead and just paying for it. And I said, let me look at my receipt, because I was in self-checkout. So I paid for everything, my total. And then I used a $10 gift card. So $10 in gift card. So my total with tax was $26.20, $10 with gift card. And I used cash. So my total was $16.20 out of pocket, which it should have been $4 cheaper. Okay, it should have been a $4 cheaper deal. But so what I did was I went back into the store. I went to the customer service desk, and I showed them on my phone that my digital coupons were still there, because they're one-time use. So anytime you use a digital coupon, it's only for a one-time only. And I knew they were still there on my account, so it wasn't subtracted from my total. So I got my $4 cash back. So if you were to do this deal, I kind of scratched this down while I was in the car. So you got the 3 dusters. So it'll be $23.97, the 3 small spaces is $2.99 each, $8.97. So your subtotal would be $32.94. Use the Cartwheel Febreze, the 2 paper coupons for Febreze, and the Cartwheel for Swiffer, and the 2 paper coupons from the October P&G for the Swiffer. So that's a total $12 off of $32. So that brings you down to $20.94 total. So if you don't have gift cards to use, you'll pay $20.94, and then you'll get back the $10 gift card. And then say if you do have $10, go ahead and use the $10 gift card, pay $10.94 subtotal. That's before tax. And then you'll get back $10 in a gift card. So that would make everything 94 cents if you had gift cards, you know. But in the situation to where if you don't have gift cards, then it would make all of these items $10.94, which is not a bad deal at all, guys. So that was my quick Target haul for you guys, or Target trip, just a quick trip. Like I said, I have free times in the morning. So I saved $18, guys. That's awesome. But don't want to take up too much of your Friday. Thanks for watching, and you have a good weekend.